Senior citizen killed in Manchester crash. Senior citizen killed in Manchester crash. Manchester, Jamaica. A senior citizen died as a result of injuries he sustained in a crash in Miketown, Manchester on Saturday night. The police have since identified the deceased as 62-year-old Derek Blackwood, a mechanic and resident of Miketown. A report from the Constabulary Communications Unit said Blackwood was driving a motor vehicle on Naseberry Street when he lost control of it. The vehicle went off-road into a gully. Firefighters had to be called at 10 p.m. to extricate Blackwood from the mangled vehicle. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.